Hello and welcome back to Quizify. In this video, we will explore one of the most important features of Quizify, product recommendation. Once you are inside the quiz editor, you will see a section called recommendation. Here you can either keep the quiz without recommendation or choose from 3 other options. In total, you will see 4 options: without recommendation, normal recommendation, score recommendation, and type recommendation. Let's explore them one by one. Without recommendation. This is the simplest option. Your quiz won't recommend any products, rather it will collect only the user information. But you can still use this option to offer discount coupons or redirect users to a specific landing page with the auto redirect feature. It is quick, simple and effective if your goal is lead generation or engagement. Normal recommendation. It is a most commonly used recommendation type. It uses a straightforward formula to recommend products to your users based on their answers. Here, you will see 4 ways to display products. Product. Recommend specific products including all their variants. Variant. Show only selected product variants. Collection. Showcase group of products you have already organized into a collection. Tags. Display product label with tags like dry skin, oily, normal. Let's take an example. Imagine you are building a skincare quiz. If your user selects dry skin, you can recommend a natural aloe vera gel moisturizer, a nourishing coconut oil serum, a hydrating skincare serum. For oily, you might recommend a honey-based moisturizer, a oil control solution, a lightweight hydrating gel. And you can continue this with other skin types. What's great is that you can assign multiple products to each answer option. Once you set up, you can customize how your results are displayed. Show an add to cart button, allow users to add all recommended products at once, display their last quiz results if they have already taken the quiz, enable a checkout button, randomize product order for variety, or use exact matches, which ensures product only appears if they meet all the users' selected criteria. You can also limit how many options show up. For example, just the top 5 or top 8. Variant recommendation. This works just like product recommendation, but instead of displaying all the variants, you only show the selected ones. It's a more precise way to guide your users to exactly the variant you want them to see. Collections. If you have already set up collections, for example dry skincare, oily skincare, or sensitive skincare, you can directly connect those here. Similarly, if you have tagged products during upload like oily, dry, sensitive, normal, recommendations will automatically pull those products under those tags and display them to the right audience. Customizing the final page. Once you have finalized your recommendations, you can edit the result page. Add titles such as "Thank you for taking the quiz. Here are your recommended products." That's it for this video. In the next video, we will see how to set up score recommendation and type recommendation. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.